As you can see, it's sprinkling right now. I smell the sense of rain. I smell it. Smell that? No! The box fort! The box fort! Oh no! What am I gonna do? It's gonna be all soggy! No, 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 no! Stay with me! Box fort is not gonna. Please, box fort, stay with me! Stay with me! You cannot lose this! Ugh. I gotta get this under the trampoline now. Lucy it doesn't care because she doesn't want to get wet. She's under the trampoline. I'm gonna put the box fort under the trampoline. Oh God, it's raining. It might rain. Get this box fort. I can't get this box fort in here. Guys, it's wet right here. No, no, no. Oh no. Oh no, this box fort is not going to plan. This box fort, it might get wet for good. This box fort might not be in our episodes anymore. We cannot deal with this. Okay, got a piece. Oh. Okay, the box fort is safe. You need to get this part. This is not good. It's raining. We're looking for a squirrel. And as you guys can see, I think it's gonna rain. I think it's gonna be a thunderstorm. But over there, it's sunny. Really? Over here, it's sprinkling. But I don't know. I don't know what the heck. Lucy wants to let me throw her voice, so I am. Cannot believe this. My box fort almost wet up and yeah. It's a very wet day today. I think it's starting to stop. There you can see the pool. Oh no, wait, now there's. You can see the pool. Okay, go get it, Lucy. Okay. It's very wet. That's very wet. Do you hear that? That's thunder. Guys, this might be a thunderstorm or something. It might be very wet out here. That was rumbles. I was like thuns. Guys, I don't know what the heck is it gonna rain? Yeah. Tell me in the comments. I don't think it's coming from over there. I'm not sure if it's just the sky or something. But over here where I am, it's cloudy. But over there, it's gonna. That's where my friend's house is. Oh no. I hear lightning, or I hear rumbles, jumbles. As you can see, the pool. Yeah. I don't think these are gonna come out. So yeah, that concludes our video. But like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a like. And also suggest in the comments if it's gonna rain or not. So yeah, bye guys. Lucy's gonna take cover. See, better take